Hi kids, today I will show you how to easy draw SpongeBob. It's a pretty easy character to draw. I start by drawing a rectangle with wavy edges. Easy. Hello crab. Now we add teeth and a specific smile to this character. Time for eyes. SpongeBob has blue, round eyes. Let's add some holes in the sponge, so it looks great. Now, using the concealer draws the teeth of our character. Please subscribe to my channel so that we can develop. Now, we will draw the nose and start drawing our friend's elegant outfits. I start by drawing a small collar and tie. Shorts with a simple rectangle with insets. How do you like them? Hey crazy SpongeBob, it's time to dye your tie red. Oh, you dance! Great! I also highlight my eyes with concealer. I will use concealer to highlight the white shirt and color the shorts brown. It will create a nice contrast. Now it's time for the lovely legs. They are slightly curved inwards. Our friend wears big shoes and colorful socks. Oh, I see, his crab friend is always there for our friend. Cool! You can find some cool crayons in the video description. I also invite you to visit my coloring book page on Etsy. See you there! Look how nice our character turned out. Enjoy drawing and keep trying. Don't give up when something doesn't work out. Bye!